Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Apple ID profile picture, whether you're ready for a fresh look or want to personalize your Apple ID a bit more. This quick guide will walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Apple ID from the top. After that, tap the profile icon from the top, and this page will pop up. From here, you will be able to change your Apple ID photo. Now, if you want to use your own photo or a photo that you have saved on your phone, tap the gallery icon and select the photo you want. Then just select which part of the photo you want to show and hit choose. Next, choose the photo style you want. After that, tap done, and that will be set as your Apple ID profile photo. But if you want to use a Memoji as your Apple ID photo, select the one from the Memoji section. If you can't find the one you are looking for, tap on See More next to Memoji. Then select the one you want. After that, select the expression and tap Next. Now you will be able to increase or decrease the size of Memoji. Pinch in to decrease the size and pinch out to increase the size. You can also move it to any place you want. After that, hit choose. Next, select the background color and hit done. And the Memoji will be set as your Apple ID profile picture. You can also use Memojis as your profile picture. Just scroll down a little and tap on the emoji you want from here. Next, tap on Done from the top right corner of the screen, and that emoji will be set as your profile picture. So guys, that's how you change the Apple ID photo on your iPhone. If the video was useful, smash that like button, and if you want more helpful content like this one, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.